Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain about Form 10E. In case employee receives arrears amount in the current financial year, he should claim the relief under Section 89(1). For that purpose, he has to fill Annexure 1, which is available in Income Tax portal for the current assessment year 2021 and 22. To fill this Annexure 1, one should prepare Table A in Excel sheet. So I have prepared one Excel sheet for this purpose. Let us go to that Excel sheet. In this Excel sheet, column 1 is indicated with assessment year. Column 2 is given with the total income in that particular assessment year, which we can obtain through the previous year's acknowledgements, or which can be also available in the income tax portal. In column 3, we will enter the arrears amount respective to this assessment year, which can be obtained through the employer. Column 4 will give the addition of these two columns, column 2 and column 3. In column 5, we will enter the tax liability as per column 2, and in column 6, we will enter the amount of tax as per column 4. And in column 7, we will take the difference of these two columns, that is column 5 and column 6. Let me enter these values. Here I have entered the values in column 2 and 3 which are available with me, and to enter the tax on column 2, I will take the help from income tax calculator. So just I'll enter income tax calculator in the browser. So click on this income tax calculator. Once it gets open, just enter these values. Assessment year, I am going for the assessment year 18-19. Taxpayer individual, select male or female, residence, and just enter income from salary year. So my income from salary year is 4,67,320 rupees. So same I will enter here, 4,67,320 rupees. And if there is any other additional income, you can enter here, and here you will get the tax liability on the income. Just enter this value in column 5, 11,192. So I will enter here 11,192. Similarly, we can obtain for column 6 also. Just I entered all these values for the previous assessment years. Here I got the total arrears amount as 1,64,814 and difference in the tax as 28,079 rupees, which I assumed as some component as X. And coming to the current financial year, that is 2021, just enter the total income with arrears received from which is available in Form 16. So here I just entered the values which are available in Form 16 of the current assessment year, and the tax is also calculated as said before. and the difference amount as calculated here, and assume this as the y. The difference of this y and x will give the benefit under section 89(1). The highlighted values in blue color are useful to fill the annexure 1, which I have filled in sheet 2 here. So these are all the values. So these values we can enter directly in the income tax portal. Hope this video is useful for you. Thank you for your patience.